Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our enlightening journey where we explore the miracles and wonders that surrounded the life of the great Imam Jafar Sadiq. Through the history, Imam Jafar Sadiq left an indelible mark on the world through his wisdom, knowledge, and extraordinary abilities. Join us as we unravel the astonishing event that characterized his life and discover the profound impact he had on the Muslim community. Get ready to be captivated by the miraculous life of Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam. Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam, one of the most prominent Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam is also known as Jafar al-Sadiq, was born in the 8th century in the city of Medina, Arabia. He was an exceptional scholar, a prophet descendant, and the sixth Imam of the Shia Muslims. Beyond his extensive knowledge and wisdom, Imam Jafar Sadiq was also blessed with incredible miracles that astounded through around him. The first miracle is knowledge the unseen. One of the most prominent miracles associated with Imam Jafar Sadiq is his remarkable ability to foresee events and possess knowledge of the unseen. Many accounts depict instances where he accurately predicted future occurrences and revealed hidden knowledge. The extraordinary gift was a testament of his connection with the higher realm, reinforcing his status as a chosen and blessed individual. Miracle 2. Healing the sick. Imam Jafar Sadiq possessed an extraordinary power to heal the sick and alleviate the suffering of the afflicted. Countless individuals sought his guidance and experienced miraculous recoveries under his care. His ability to cure ailments through his supplications and prayer demonstrated his compassion and connection with divine. Miracle 3. Control over elements. Another inspiring aspect of Imam Jafar Sadiq's life was his dominion over the element of nature. Numerous reports recount instances where he controlled fire, water, and even air, showcasing his divine authority and the manifestation of miracles within his presence. These extraordinary demonstrations further solidified the belief in his holiness among his followers. Number 4. Miracle number 4. Knowledge validation. Imam Jafar Sadiq's wisdom and knowledge were exceptional. His teaching served as a source of enlightenment for his students and followers. One of his miracles revolved around the way he would miraculously validate the knowledge of his companion. By posing questions to his discipline, he would not only confirm their answer but also provide them with deeper insight, expecting their understanding of the subject matter. Miracle 5. Multiplication of food. In time of scarcity and need, Imam Jafar Sadiq showcased his miraculous ability by multiplying meager provision of feed hungry masses. In one renowned account, he multiplied a few loaves of bread to satisfy the hunger of numerous people. This miraculous act demonstrated his ability to transcend the physical limitation of the world and provide for the needy through divine intervention. Imam Jafar Sadiq's life was nothing short of extraordinary. His wisdom, knowledge, and the miracles he performed deeply impact those around him and continue to inspire millions of these days. Through his teaching and divine manipulation, Imam Jafar Sadiq left an enduring legacy through the serves as guiding light for all seekers of truth and spirituality. Thank you for joining us the captivating journey into the miraculous life of Imam Jafar. We hope you have gained insight into the immense wisdom and profound miracle that are over his remarkable existed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay blessed and keep seeking knowledge.